I'm not holding onto the rope. Come on.
Okay.
I promise you. I'm not gonna let anything happen. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Say hi, baby.
Hello! This here feeding the fish. Here in Palawan! Send the oil, send the oil!
Sir. Sir, sir.
Hey, more crackers, babe.
Huh?
Gather. Now, one more.
Yeah. Here, bring them up to the surface. Maybe. They're right here.
Yeah.
Tuloy eh. Hindi, baka wag ano.
Basta, ito karin ko yak ko guys.
Kusog na. Tagasa mo ma'am.
Taga sino?
I'm gonna catch one.
Atubang na tayo. Bako, Negros mi.
Ha?
Negros.
Negros?
Carlos City ba?
Ano ako ng Palawan?
Diri na kami nyo ma'am.
Dahil masawa dire?
Wala ka, nabilin sa balay.
Bili. Nabili ko na lang.
Bantay sa akong anak. Ngayon ma'am, napa ma'am. Sige kay na, dire lang na nga ni ma'am sa ibang kan ma'am, wala na yun.
Dire kay kusog kay turista no?
Kani painin ni ma'am kay pahabagat ng gudang.
Pwede ka lang ha.
Sir, sir.
Hold it.
Here you go, baby. Just like on the boat, you're fine.
No, the current's so high. I cannot swim.
You don't need to swim, baby. You have a life vest on.
But the current will push me there.
Don't lump, I won't let it. Here, let's let go for a second. Let go. I got you.
Yeah.
Go ahead, feed the fish. I got you.
I'm feeding the fish right now.
Here.
They're eating me there.
There's some more art there. Here, let me see.
Okay na
Sir,
yan.
kuha ka ulit lang sir. Kuha ka sir, tapos picture ako.
You cannot see.
Sabi tama yung pala. Kahit na, ipon muna ako ha. Kapita mo lang sir.
Oh crap, where had you?